Chicken and watermelon, two delicious food items eaten practically worldwide. There's nothing inherently racist about chicken or watermelon, yet at some point in time they became a vehicle for racism. So let's talk about how that came to be and kick it off with the fried chicken trope. To understand when black people and chicken became linked, we gotta go all the way back to the 17th century. When West African enslaved folks were brought to the New World, they came with a deep knowledge of chicken because in their lands it was both a common and sacred farm animal. White plantation owners and really just the colonial institution as a whole wasn't that familiar with chicken. In fact, it didn't care much for it, preferring other meats like beef or pork. So because whites of the colonial era felt that chicken wasn't important, they were often the only animals enslaved people were allowed to raise. They were outlawed from owning horses, cattle, hogs, etc., but there was no mention of chicken. As such, some enslaved black folks were allowed to raise, prepare, and sell chicken to their owners or other slave owners. Chickens were cheap, easy to feed, and a good source of meat. Thus, the chicken